Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM, is built on 8 strong pillars. Today, we focus on one of the most crucial, autonomous maintenance. In modern manufacturing, efficiency and quality go hand in hand. Through a real-life example, we see how and where operators play a key role in keeping machines in top condition. Even the smallest issues can lead to major defects. In automated production, precision is everything, but here a simple issue, a loose or contaminated hanger, creates instability. As the 6-axis robot sprays paint, the shaking motion results in inconsistent application. The paint fails to cover the edges properly, and variations in thickness appear across the surface. This defect not only affects the product's appearance, but can also lead to adhesion failures, rework, and customer complaints. Autonomous maintenance empowers operators to take ownership of equipment care. Through routine cleaning and inspections, they detect early signs of trouble before they impact quality. By identifying and eliminating the root cause, contamination, and improper maintenance, the hanger now moves smoothly. The result? A flawless, high-quality paint finish and a more reliable process. Autonomous maintenance is more than just a practice. It's a mindset that enhances reliability, reduces defects, and drives operational excellence. Empower your team, sustain quality, and achieve manufacturing success with TPM.